Hi, I am Sriranga Bapat from Bapat Classes. In this video, I will explain four properties of rational numbers: additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, and multiplicative inverse. Additive identity. In mathematics, an identity element or neutral element is a special type of element of a set with respect to binary operation on that set, which leaves any element of the set unchanged when combined with it. 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. For every rational number a upon b plus 0 is same number a upon b. So 0 is neutral element. There is no effect on a upon b when 0 is added to a upon b. Additive identity of rational numbers is 0. Multiplicative identity. 1 is called the identity for the multiplication of rational numbers. Consider binary operation. Binary operation is operation on two elements. Multiplication is binary operation. Consider two numbers, product of two numbers a and 1. A into 1 is equal to a. A into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. So by multiplying number 1, multiplying a by number 1, result is same number. There is no effect on a when this binary operation is performed. So 1 is multiplicative identity for rational numbers. You can use this property for integers and whole numbers also. If a is integer or whole numbers, then a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. So multiplicative identity for rational numbers is 1. So for any rational number a upon b into 1 is equal to 1 into a upon b is equal to a upon b. 1 is neutral for multiplication. Additive inverse. For every rational number a upon b, there exists rational number minus a upon b such that a upon b plus minus a upon b is equal to 0. We call this number as opposite number. Opposite of 3 by 2 is minus 3 by 2, and property is 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So additive inverse, for every rational number a upon b, there exists rational number minus a upon b such that a upon b plus minus a upon b is equal to 0. So minus a upon b is opposite of a upon b. Opposite of 3 by 2 is minus 3 by 2, and opposite of minus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. Multiplicative inverse. We call this as reciprocal. For every non-zero rational number a upon b, remember this property cannot be used for all rational numbers. Consider a upon b where a upon b is not equal to 0. For any non-zero rational number a upon b, there exists rational number b upon a such that product of a upon b and b upon a is 1. For every rational number, non-zero rational number a upon b, there exists rational number b upon a such that their product is 1. So b upon a is reciprocal of a upon b, and a upon b is reciprocal of b upon a. For example, if 3 upon 4 is given rational number, Then there is rational number 4 upon 3 such that 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 3 is 1. If given rational number is minus 5 by 2, then there exists rational number minus 2 by 5 such that minus 5 by 2 into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. We call minus 2 by 5 as reciprocal of minus 5 by 2, or minus 5 by 2 is reciprocal of minus 2 by 5. So use this property for non-zero rational number. 0 has no reciprocal. 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon 0 is not rational number. So don't use this property for rational number 0. Now we will solve equation 2x upon 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 7. While solving this equation, I'll explain additive inverse property, additive identity, multiplicative inverse and multiplicative identity. We will use all properties. Now, to solve any equation, we have to express equation in x is equal to k form. Left hand side is variable and right hand side is constant. So we are going to remove constant terms 1 by 5, 2 by 3 from left hand side. So consider first step. Consider equation 2x upon 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 7. In first step, we will remove 1 by 5 by using additive inverse. We know that for any rational number a upon b, there exists rational number minus a upon b such that their sum is equal to 0. A upon b plus minus a upon b is equal to 0. So we will remove 1 by 5 terms from left hand side. So additive inverse of 1 by 5 is minus 1 by 5. So add minus 1 by 5 on both sides of equation. So here we have used additive inverse property. Therefore 2x upon 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 0, additive inverse property. Right hand side LCM is 35, numerator 4 into 5 minus 7 into 1. Now we will use additive identity. Additive identity is for any rational number a upon b plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a upon b is equal to a upon b. 0 is neutral for addition. So 2x plus 3 upon 0 is equivalent to 2x upon 3. So here we have used additive identity property. In first step we have used additive inverse property. For every operation in mathematics, there is opposite operation for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logarithm, antilog, derivative, antiderivative, square, square root. Now next step. 2x upon 3 is equal to 13 upon 35. Now we will use multiplicative inverse. For every rational number a upon b, there is non-zero rational number a upon b, there exists rational number b upon a such that a upon b into b upon a is equal to 1. So now to solve this equation, we have to remove 2 by 3 term from left hand side. So multiply equation throughout by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. So multiply equation throughout by 3 by 2. So in this step we have used multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of A by B is B by A. Reciprocal. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 is 1. Right hand side is 39 upon 70. Now in last step we are going to use multiplicative identity. 1 is multiplicative identity for rational numbers. That means x into 1 is equal to 1 into x is equal to x. This operation is binary operation. Product operation is binary, perform on two elements, two numbers. And there is no effect. So this element is neutral for multiplication 1. So by multiplicative identity 1x is equal to x. The final answer is x is equal to 39 upon 70. So while solving this equation, we have used four properties: additive inverse, additive identity, multiplicative inverse and multiplicative identity.